Welcome back to Borax Solutions channel. Today we're diving into a comprehensive SWOT analysis of Healthcare Group, one of the largest and most influential healthcare companies in the world. Whether you're an IT or cybersecurity student, a professional, or someone looking to sharpen their business analysis skills, this video will provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide on how to perform a SWOT analysis. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what a SWOT analysis is. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. It's a strategic planning tool used to identify and evaluate these four aspects of a business. Now let's break it down for Healthcare Group. Starting with strengths, these are the internal attributes that give Healthcare Group an edge in the marketplace. Market Leadership Healthcare Group is a market leader in the healthcare sector with a vast market presence. This dominance allows them to influence industry standards and negotiate better deals with suppliers. Diverse revenue streams, they have multiple revenue streams from their insurance services and healthcare services, reducing reliance on a single source and ensuring financial stability. Strong brand reputation. Known for its reliability and comprehensive health services, the strong brand reputation helps in attracting and retaining customers. Technological advancements. Significant investments in technology and data analytics improve healthcare outcomes and operational efficiencies, giving them a competitive edge. Financial stability. Healthcare Group showcases robust financial performance with strong revenue growth and profitability, allowing for continuous investment and expansion. Next, we look at weaknesses. These are internal factors that might hinder Healthcare Group's performance. Regulatory challenges. The company is subject to stringent regulations and compliance requirements, which can impact operations and limit flexibility. High operational costs. Maintaining and expanding healthcare services involves significant costs, which can affect profitability. Dependence on the U.S. market. A large portion of their revenue comes from the U.S. market, exposing them to domestic market risks and economic fluctuations. Complex organizational structure. Managing various subsidiaries and services can lead to inefficiencies and slower decision-making processes. Opportunities are external factors that Healthcare Group can capitalize on to grow and improve. Expansion into emerging markets. There's potential to expand services into emerging markets with growing healthcare needs, tapping into new customer bases. Innovative healthcare solutions. Development of new healthcare solutions through technology and data analytics can improve patient outcomes and operational efficiency. Aging population. The increasing demand for healthcare services due to the aging population presents a significant growth opportunity. Strategic acquisitions. Acquiring smaller companies can expand service offerings and market reach. Partnerships with tech companies. Collaborations with technology firms can lead to innovations and improved healthcare delivery. Finally, we look at threats. These are external factors that could pose challenges to Healthcare Group. Regulatory changes. Potential changes in healthcare regulations and policies could impact operations and profitability. Intense competition. The healthcare sector is highly competitive with numerous players offering similar services. Economic downturns. Economic instability can affect customers' ability to afford healthcare services. Cybersecurity risks. Increasing threats of data breaches and cyber attacks on healthcare information systems are a major concern. Pandemic impact. Ongoing and future pandemics could disrupt healthcare services and supply chains. Now that we've completed our SWOT analysis, let's talk about some challenges you might face when performing your analysis and how to approach them effectively. Challenge 1. Data collection and analysis. Gathering accurate and relevant data can be tough. Use reliable sources such as company reports, industry publications, and market research. Ensure you validate the data before analysis. Challenge 2. Identifying key factors. It can be difficult to identify which factors are most important. Focus on those that have a significant impact on the company's strategic objectives and overall performance. Challenge 3. Presenting your findings. Communicate your findings clearly and concisely. Use visual aids like charts and graphs to support your analysis. Practice your presentation skills to ensure you can explain your points effectively. Remember to always define the problem clearly. Gather necessary data, analyze the problem using frameworks. Develop practical solutions, and communicate your findings effectively. That wraps up our comprehensive SWOT analysis of Healthcare Group. I hope this guide helps you understand how to perform a SWOT analysis and apply it to your own business scenarios or for your employer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.